Hey guys, RBO here. Today we're going to be going through the FULLRON Survival Pouch. Before we get into that, I want to remind you that we have the Super Clean giveaway going on for the Super Clean hat and the Super Clean Basic Degreaser and the aerosol version as well. If you want to be entered, all you have to do is like, comment, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and go ahead and share the video, and you'll be entered to the giveaway. I'll be announcing the giveaway winner on the 20th. That was again the 20th, so 2 Mondays from now. Good luck to everybody that's entered, and yeah, let's get to this pouch. Let me move this stuff over to the side. Here we have the FULLRON Survival Pouch, basic clothing bag pouch you get from any online store, and I turn it into a survival kit. As you can see, it's very densely packed. And this zipper just doesn't pop off. It is very tight. Okay. Right on top, we have 6 beef bouillon cubes, in a little plastic bag, and Ziploc. You can always reseal it. I'll put it back on later. Here we have some strawberry jam for some sugars. Here we have some fast pack squenchers. These are really good. You just take your filtered water, dump it in there, and some vitamin C. It just gives you a little boost. Here we have water containment bags. I think we have 4 of these. Four water containment bags. Goodness. Seems to get wrapped up. Here you go. Here we have our Rothco sewing kit. All our threads, some scissors, as well as some needles. Golly. It is getting hot over here. Here we have one of my fishing kits that I put together out of a spice bottle. Have our line wrapped around there with some borders created by some tape. All our lures and hooks, sinkers and whatnot are on the side. And you can pretty much fill this whole thing and go fishing for days. Keep losing your stuff, as long as you got something to throw on the hook. Here we have our basic red bandana, mostly for signaling, but also for first aid, water filtration, trail marking, stuff like that. Here we have an abundance of little packets to give you a little bit of a boost. We have a tea packet. We have 2 instant coffees. We have 2 vitamin C packets, and as well as a beverage packet from a U.S. military Marine. We also have 2 sugar packets to go along with that, and salt. Make sure you don't get dehydrated. We also thrown in 1 packet of the SOS water, just to give you a little bit of a kickstart and to keep you warm at night. We have 2 emergency blankets or Mylar blankets. These things work really great for throwing your heat back at you at night. We also have 3 packs of dried nuts and fruits. I don't know why I always say dried nuts. Most nuts are dried. But dried fruit is what I always mean. Here's our signal whistle. It's one of my favorite ones. We have our belt snap, so you can just put it on your person and have it with you. Here's a really cool piece of gear. It's a little multi-tool. Has all the basic stuff. Knife, scissors, 2 saws actually. But my favorite part is how it has a screwdriver appendages, so you can go ahead and dismantle just about any piece of gear or equipment to fix it or to repurpose it, which is really good in survival situation. There's that. For another cutting tool, we have our Mora. This might be the survival knife. I can't remember. It's not the Scout for sure. This one has a ferrocerium rod in the blade, or in the handle of the blade. The homemade sheath here, some electrical tape and cardboard, almost duct tape. Here's our Sawyer squeeze, just an extra way of filtering water. Top of just pure filtration with a bandana. Almost said banana. Oh my goodness. Here's our 550 paracord. We have an abundance of this. I believe this is about 20 feet. We have some UCO stormproof matches. Make sure you get a fire going in a moist environment. Oh, here's another pack of the vitamin C there. We have our survival card of plethora. We have our pop out, which is our hooks, just extra hooks, 2 needles, fork or spearhead, some line collectors, as well as an arrowhead. We also have a magnification lens and a survival mirror or signal mirror. It works really good. You just put your eye through there and look where you want to signal and click flash them back and forth, and boom. For some more nutrition, threw in 2 mustard packets. Give you more of a boost there. Thanks to our boy Gun. Another way of starting fire, we have a basic Bic lighter with some duct tape wrapped around it for fire starter, as well as some more snare wire. Here we have some aluminum foil for some wild cooking, or even boiling if need be, or a nice flat and dry surface for fire starting. Also have some sealed tinder, just some cotton balls used for the ferrocerium rod. Then we have 3 water activated towelettes. These are great for just basic hygiene, water filtration, first aid, even trail marking. You can even use it to start fires if need be. And another way of cutting, we have our American Eagle Swiss Army knife. It has the basic blades, course, as well as our little screwdrivers, our bottle opener, our bottle opener and a can opener. Screw or corkscrew, our awl. I want to keep saying that every video so I can remember it. As well as our toothpick and our tweezers. This will help us start fires. I've thrown in 2 fire starters. I have 2 blocks in them each, so they can be turned into 4 fires if need be. For navigation, we just have the basic military compass. Nothing glamorous, but it works. Another way of filtering water, we have Frontier's water filtration straw, as well as a boiling mug to boil the water in. I pulled it out a second ago, I don't know why I didn't show it you guys. Here's our 9-hour emergency candle, just to give you some heat or some light, either or. We also thrown in our handmade saw, just out of a sawzall blade and some electrical tape there. Built up nice and tough here, so you have a nice ridge to grab onto with your thumb. Another way of starting fire, we have a ferrocerium and magnesium rod. As you can see, the smaller parts of magnesium, the bigger parts of ferro, and you scrape off the ferro, and then you just spark that the big part is the magnesium, the little part's of ferro, and you scrape out the big part, and you spark in the little ferro. I don't really like them, but they get the job done. I went ahead and thrown in an emergency shelter. It's an A-frame basic tent shelter. Comes with the linings. If anything, you just wrap yourself up in this or use it as some kind of signaling. Tear up into strands, put it on tree branches all around and let it shine. And then I also thrown in some more snare wire just for gear repair or shelter building or anything like that. And that's the kit, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Good luck to everyone that's entering the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and watching the videos and commenting. I enjoy conversing with you guys, and I always love hearing from you guys. So go ahead and let me know what you think in the comments. Have a nice day.